I drove 2 hours to see if this resort really lives up to its 5-star reputation. I'm about to find out whether they would welcome me warmly, offer an upgrade, carry my luggage, serve a late dinner, and quick access to the facilities without long queues. I'll be rating every experience and facility, so let's see how much this resort really scores. The good news is that there is a free valet parking available for the guests. You simply drop your car at the drop-off area and walk in. The hotel staffs took care of our luggage, so we walked freely without any hassle. The lobby looks stunning. Grand chandeliers, beautiful decorated ceiling, enough seating, and fancy concierge desk that promised a warm welcome. They even had a counter with a welcome drink ready. We helped ourselves with a welcome drink. We arrived here on my wife's birthday, so they gave us a free upgrade to a 1-bedroom apartment. Before we head to the apartment, I would rate the arrival and check-in. The arrival gets a 7 out of 10 because of a slight delay we faced in the valet and nobody served us the welcome drink. But for check-in, it gets a solid 9 out of 10 simply because we got the upgrade. Now let me take you to the 1-bedroom apartment. As soon as you step in, you've got a spacious living area that feels really cozy. There's a comfortable sofa set facing a flat screen TV and a coffee table beside. Perfect for relaxing after a long day of exploring. The apartment also has a private balcony that overlooks the garden, a peaceful spot to enjoy your morning coffee and an evening breeze. Moving on to the bedroom, it's quite large with a comfy king-size bed, side lamps and TV here too. The decor is simple but elegant and a nice touch of luxury. The bathroom is clean and spacious with a separate bathtub and shower area plus all the basic toiletries you need. There is also a small dining area and a kitchen setup with all the basics. A fridge, electric kettle, oven, washing machine and plenty of space to keep your snacks, food and drinks. They also surprised us with a birthday cake. Overall, the 1-bedroom apartment here feels more like a mini home, spacious, comfortable and definitely a great choice if you're staying for a few days. For that reason, I would give a rating of 9 out of 10 for the 1-bedroom apartment. The one which you see here is the Olympic swimming pool. So let's explore the pool area and the spa. We climbed down to the lobby to reach the pool. On the go, we found a coffee shop and next to that there's a jewelry shop with expensive jewelers and also a gen salon at the corner. There's also a beauty parlor here. Now let me take you through one of the best poolside experience I've ever had. They have provided us with free towels at the entrance. They've got 2 temperature control pools. One is designed for families and kids, and it's not just any pool. It had a beautiful waterfall right in the middle. There's a pool bar next to the family pool. The changing rooms were super clean and spacious, no complaints. On the other side is the Olympic pool. It's massive, crystal clear and perfect if you're into serious swimming. The poolside cabana lounges beside the pool are perfect for chilling after a swim or just soak up in the sun. Further, we explored the wellness area. I tried the plunge pool for the first time. Freezing cold but totally worth it. It wakes you up like nothing else. They've also got jacuzzi, steam bath and sauna bath. We spent a good time relaxing in the jacuzzi. Overall, the pool and wellness facilities, it's a pure 10 out of 10 for me. Whether you're here to swim, relax or recharge, it's got everything you need. Now let's explore the health club. There are two fitness gyms called the Body and Soul. The main gym is located inside the hotel building, which can be accessed from the spa area. The second gym is right by the poolside. The gyms are spacious, hygienic, and equipped with advanced workout machines, perfect for serious training and casual fitness. We give the gym facility a 10 out of 10 rating thanks for the modern equipment, clean environment, and comfortable layout. The night view of the resort is so beautiful. The pool glows on deep blue. From our balcony, we were surprised to see these magical lights far away ascending into the sky. For a second, I honestly thought it might be a UFO or something like an alien. We later realized it was just a light on the road going up to Jabal Hafid mountain, a famous attraction in Al Ain. Now let's move on to the nightlife and dining options here. The Old Oxford Pub is a cozy British-style spot. Shooters is a friendly sports bar which has a pool game and dart. Danat Pool Bar is a poolside bar. Luce, an Arabic bar with live entertainment. If you are looking for something lighter, there are two cafes. Tea Lounge, an Arabic-style cafe where you enjoy a shisha in a relaxed setting. The main restaurant here is called the Arabesque. We walked in late night and we were actually the last guest to have dinner. The final serving is at 10:30 p.m. but still they served us. The next morning, we came back to the same restaurant for our breakfast, which featured a wide international buffet. We had booked the half-board package, so both dinner and breakfast were included. That's a great value for the experience. Although the restaurant was good, we found the dinner menu a bit limited. Not many options to choose from. Still, the overall experience was enjoyable. The nightclub and dining gets a rating of 8 out of 10. Great vibes, but a few more menu choices would make it better. Finally, let's take a look at the recreation facilities here. There's a well-maintained, spacious outdoor children's play area. The other sports includes tennis court and paddle court. Also, there is a table football and table tennis for indoor entertainment. However, we have noticed that the table games could have some maintenance. Overall, we give the recreation facilities a rating of 7 out of 10. Finally, let's check out the total score and see how much this resort really scores. Arrival experience 7, check-in 9, room quality 9, pool and wellness facilities 9, health club perfect 10, nightclub and dining is 8, recreation option 7. After adding it up all, the total average score stands at 8.4 out of 10. A solid rating for a resort that offers comfort, great fitness facilities and relaxing atmosphere. The ratings we have shared here is entirely on our personal experience during our stay in this resort and may vary with yours. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please support our channel by hitting a like, share it with your friends and subscribe. Your support really helps us to create more exciting contents just for you.